Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, the place where maths gets clear and logic. Today we are solving demorgans law from set theory. These laws are very important. Stay with me, you will understand them better than 90% of people. So first of all, I will discuss first law, that is A union B whole complement equals A complement intersection B complement. This is the first law. And the second law is A intersection B complement equals A complement union B complement. Now we will prove first law and second law. Now we will prove first law, that is A union B whole complement equals A complement intersection B complement. We will prove this step by step. For this, first of all, consider that let X be the universal set. X is the universal set, and consider two subsets that are as let A is the subset of X and B is also subset of X. Then let small x belongs to capital X and X is an small x is an arbitrary element, means any element from universal set, Now we will prove that X belongs to A union B whole complement, and that is both ways implies that X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. So we will prove this statement as, now assume that X belongs A union B whole complement. If X belongs A union B whole complement, then by definition of complement, we will say that X belongs to A union B whole complement, which implies that X does not belongs to A union B. So now by definition of union, if X does not belongs to A union B, this implies that, and this is both ways implies, X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs B. If X does not belongs A, X does not belong A. Now we will again back to complements. It's mean that x does not belongs to A, which both ways implies that x belongs to A complement. And we have x does not belongs to B, both ways implies that x belongs B complement. If x belongs both, it's mean so x belongs A complement and x belongs B complement, which implies x belongs A complement intersection B complement. So we have in the start x belongs A union B complement, and we get in the last step that x belongs A complement intersection B complement. So this is the proof for first law. Now you can see how we take left hand side and prove that right hand side. In the same way we will prove the second law. Now we will prove the second law, that is A complement intersection B whole complement equals A complement union B complement. Now first of all, let X be a universal set, then let A is the subset of X and B is also subset of X. And then suppose let small x belongs to capital X. Now assume small x belongs to A intersection B whole complement. It's mean x does not belongs to A intersection B, because it belongs to complement, then by definition both ways implies that this does not belongs to A intersection B. It's mean this both ways implies that x does not belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. So again by definition or back to the complement, x does not belongs to A implies that x belongs to A complement, and x does not belongs to B, this is also both ways implies that x does not belongs B, means x belongs B complement. So this implies that x belongs A complement union B complement. So this is the right hand side. So you can see how we take x from the left hand side and prove this towards the right hand side. So this is the complete solution of De Morgan's law. This is used in all mathematical branches. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another important set theory concept. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.